Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What are you doing today?
I'm going to the park. Do you want to come with me?
Yes, I would love to go to the park. What time are you going?
I am going at 3 p.m. Is that okay for you?
Yes, 3 p.m. is perfect. What will we do at the park?
We can walk, play, and talk. Maybe we can have some ice cream too.
That sounds fun. I love ice cream. What is your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor is chocolate. What about you?
I like strawberry. It's so sweet and tasty.
Strawberry is nice too. Do you have a favorite park activity?
I like to play on the swings. What about you?
I like to play football. But I also like to sit and talk with friends.
That sounds nice. I can't wait to go to the park with you.
Me too. It's going to be a fun day. Hey, Sarah. Over here.
Hi, Tom. The park is so big.
Yes, it is. Where do you want to go first?
Let's go to the swings. I love the swings.
Okay, let's go. Do you need a push?
Yes, please. Can you push me high?
Sure. Hold on tight.
This is fun. How high can you push me?
I can push you very high, but be careful.
I will. Thanks, Tom. Do you want to swing too?
Maybe later. I like watching you have fun.
That's sweet. What do you want to do after the swings?
How about we play football? Do you like football?
I'm not very good at it, but I can try.
Don't worry. I'll teach you. It's easy and fun.
Okay, let's play football after the swings. Can we get ice cream later?
Yes, we can get ice cream. Do you want chocolate or strawberry?
I want strawberry. What about you?
I think I'll get chocolate. It's my favorite.
Great. This is going to be a fun day.
Yes, it is. I'm glad we came to the park.
Me too. Let's enjoy our day together.
Okay, I'm ready to play football. What do I need to do?
First, let's set up the goals. We can use these trees as goalposts.
Good idea. How do we play? I'll show you. You need to kick the ball and try to get it into my goal.
That sounds simple. Can you show me how to kick the ball?
Sure. Watch me. You use the inside of your foot to kick it straight.
Like this.
Yes, that's perfect. Now, try to get the ball into my goal.
Okay, here I go.
Nice try. You almost made it. Now I'll kick the ball and you try to stop it.
I'll try my best.
Nice try. You almost made it. Now I'll kick the ball and you try to stop it.
I did it. I stopped the ball.
Great job, Sarah. You're a natural.
Thanks, Tom. This is fun.
Do you want to play a little longer?
Yes, let's keep playing. I'm enjoying it.
Okay, let's keep going. I'll kick the ball again.
I'm ready.
Here it comes.
I stopped it again.
You're getting really good at this.
Thanks, Tom. I like playing football with you.
I like playing with you too. You're a great friend.
Thanks, Tom. You're a great friend too.
After this, we can get some ice cream. Sound good?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Great game, Sarah. Now it's time for ice cream.
Yes, I'm so excited. Where's the ice cream stand?
It's over there, near the big tree. Let's go.
I see it. What flavors do they have?
They have chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and mint. What will you choose?
I'll have strawberry, please. What about you?
I'll get chocolate. Let's order.
Hello. Can we have one strawberry ice cream and one chocolate ice cream, please?
Thank you. Here's your strawberry ice cream, Sarah.
Thanks, Tom. This is delicious.
Thank you. Here's your strawberry ice cream, Sarah.
Ice cream is the best on a hot day like this.
Yes, it is. Do you come to the park often?
Sometimes, but I should come more often. It's so nice here.
I agree. It's a great place to relax and have fun.
We should come here again next weekend.
Yes, let's do that. We can bring some friends too.
That sounds like a good idea. The more, the merrier.
Definitely. What do you want to do after we finish our ice cream?
How about we take a walk around the park?
That sounds nice. We can explore and see more of the park.
Wow, this ice cream was so good. Are you ready for our walk, Tom?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's start by the lake. It's very pretty there.
Good idea. Look at the ducks on the water.
They're so cute. Do you want to feed them?
Yes, let's do that. Do you have any bread?
I brought some. Here, take a piece.
Thanks, Tom. Here, duckies.
They're coming closer. They must be hungry.
They're so friendly. I like feeding the ducks.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Let's keep walking. I want to see more of the park.
Sure. There's a beautiful garden nearby. We can go there.
That sounds nice. I love flowers.
Me too. The garden has many different kinds of flowers.
Look, there it is. The flowers are so colorful.
Yes, they are. Do you have a favorite flower?
I like roses. They smell so nice. What about you?
I like tulips. They come in so many colors.
Tulips are beautiful. I like them too.
Do you want to sit on that bench and enjoy the view?
Yes, let's sit for a while.
It's so peaceful here.
Yes, I love it. Thank you for inviting me, Tom.
You're welcome, Sarah. I'm glad you came.
This is the best day ever.
It really is. We should do this more often.
Yes, we should. I always have fun with you.
Me too, Sarah. You're a great friend.
You're a great friend too, Tom.